Hello friends and welcome back to another video. This video is about jewelry unboxing and review from Flipkart, and the brand that I've purchased from is Yellow Chimes. First, let me show you this beautiful bracelet which was gifted to my daughter by one of her friends on her birthday, and she really liked this bracelet, and then she ordered a few more things from the same brand from Flipkart. The brand, as I've already mentioned, is Yellow Chimes, and this bracelet is a really beautiful bracelet with blue and white stones, and as you can see, it's made very neatly. Even the back side of the bracelet is very smooth and there are no sharp edges which can hurt the skin. Let me turn it around and show you. As you can see, it's so nice and smooth and well made, and it has a clasp and there is a long chain, so you can adjust it according to your wrist size. So after getting this gift, she got a ring which was a rose gold plated multicolored ring, and this is the unboxing of that ring which she had purchased. So it came wrapped up in this neat paper packet, and once I cut it open, the ring was placed inside another paper box, and this came to me in a good condition. As you can see, the original price was rupees 999, but as discount was going on, I could get it for rupees 230 only. So you can buy these products when they are at a discounted rate, because the original price is quite high, but during the festivities and most of the time they are always having some kind of a discount, so you can wait, and when the price comes down you can purchase it. On the back side of the box, the product details etc. were mentioned, and then I opened it and I saw that the ring was placed inside another small packet, and this is how the ring looks like. It is in rose gold color and it has beautiful colorful stones, and the stones were really nice. It had a nice shine. I'll show you the close-up a bit later on. So this is the ring, and this was for my daughter's finger, but still I tried wearing it and I somehow managed to push it in my finger. It was a little bit tight, but this is how it looks on the finger. And the best thing about this ring is that you can adjust it. This is the smallest size, and if you want you can enlarge it. So as you can see, the colorful stones are looking so much pretty. On the back side, you see there is this adjustable part. You can pull it and make it bigger, and the stones have a beautiful cut, and because Indians love wearing colorful dresses, this ring can go with almost any outfit that you wear, and you can keep it in the box after wearing it. So overall, I think this was a good purchase. This next purchase is an alloy gold plated jewelry set, and my daughter really loved the necklace piece, so she bought this one also. Original price was 1299, but after the discounted price we could get it at a much lower rate, and the price keeps changing as per the percentage of discount that they are giving. So this again came in this cardboard box, and once I opened it, I saw this beautiful jewelry piece inside. So let me take it out and show you. But before that, as you can see, they have also given a little bit of a leaflet where they have mentioned about some of their other products, and also about the care that needs to be taken so that the jewelry set can last for a longer time. That means not getting it wet and wiping it off with a clean cloth after it has been used, and storing it back in the box. So if you follow all these precautions, the color will not fade away quickly, and it will last a little bit longer. So in this set there were a pair of earrings and one necklace, and the earring is this one. And now let me show you the neck piece. So this is the necklace. So as you can see, it is having some leaves and some pearls, and some of the leaves are in simple gold color, and some of the leaves have little white stones inside. And when I picked up the necklace, I saw that it was not one straight line, but each and every individual bit was attached with each other, so that it could move nicely, so that whenever you would wear it, it can cover the neck very nicely, and it will look very pretty if you wear it like a choker also. And the chain was pretty much long, so you can also wear it as a little bit longer necklace, but usually my daughter likes wearing her necklace close to her neck. So this is a really beautiful set, and as you can see how it is shining in the sunlight. So overall I really like this set. Even the back was nice and smooth, there were no sharp edges, just like the bracelet was nice and smooth. And now let me show you the clasp of this necklace. So it's a very beautiful set, and as you can see, the gold color really brings out the appearance of this set. And some of the leaves have the stones in them, and the clasp is having extra chain so that you can adjust it if you want it a little bit longer or a little bit tighter. And this is the earring. The only thing I felt was if one of the leaves had the little stones, it would have looked even prettier, but it doesn't matter. Overall I really like this necklace set. And now let me show you how it looks on the neck. So this is how it looks on an adult's neck. It fits nicely. This has been worn a little bit tightly, but if you want, you can loosen the chain and you can wear it a little bit lower also. And this is how it looks on a teenager's neck. I feel this necklace looks really pretty with any kind of outfit. Over here my daughter has worn a black outfit with some golden work, and the gold of the necklace is definitely matching with her dress, and the white pearls are adding a nice contrast to the black material of the cloth. So I think it's a great purchase if you are buying it at the discounted price. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.